we are doing at the moment is that there are operations that are still ongoing in those areas, and we have two fronts. One of them is to encourage free surrender of those firearms and amnesty for those who are willing. Secondly is forceful disarmament, which is still going on. So we are on top of things.
We are urging Kenyans and pleading with them to be patriotic and come out and talk to, because amongst themselves they know who may be having a firearm. Some may be shy, some may be fearful, but we must talk amongst ourselves as Kenyans. We must have conversations and decide that we want a peaceful country, we want a prosperous country, and this cannot happen in conflict, nor wars or rustling or crime, terrorism and thus. And we have the responsibility to speak to ourselves. The media, you have a much larger responsibility because your role is to inform the public. You need to have this discourse explored further